In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello to organize tasks as a virtual assistant. Start by opening Trello through your Atlassian account and make sure you're already logged in. Once you're on the main dashboard, go straight to the Create button. Click Create, then choose Create Board. This is where you'll set up a workspace that keeps all your client and admin tasks organized in one simple system. For the board name, type VA Task System, then click Create. In just a few seconds, your new board will open, and now you're ready to build the structure that will help you manage your workload day by day. The next step is to create your lists. Lists are the columns on your Trello board, and each one represents a stage in your task workflow. Click Add List and create your first list called Inbox. After that, click Add List again and create Today. Then add In Progress, Waiting, and Completed. Make sure you click Add List after each one so they appear as separate columns across the board. Now you have a very practical layout. Inbox is where all new tasks go as soon as they come in. Today is for tasks you plan to work on right away. In Progress is for anything you've already started. Waiting is for tasks that are blocked, paused, or need input before you can continue. Completed is where finished work goes so you can clearly track what you've done. Once the lists are ready, move to the Inbox list and click Add Card. This is where you'll start entering incoming tasks. You can type a task name like Update Calendar, Schedule Social Posts, Reply to Client Messages, or Prepare a Weekly Report. After typing a task, press Enter to create the card. Keep adding cards for each new task that comes in. This helps you capture everything quickly before deciding when to work on it. When you want to add more information to a task, click on the card. A full card window will open. In the description area, write the important details for that task. You might include what needs to be done, any instructions, links, notes, or context that helps you complete it correctly. The description is useful because it keeps all task information in one place, instead of scattered across messages or notes. Next, if you're working with a team or sharing responsibilities, click Members and assign the task to the person handling it. If you're working alone, you can still assign the task to yourself, so it's easy to see ownership at a glance. After that, click Due Date and set the deadline. This is a key step because deadlines make it much easier to prioritize your work and avoid missing important deliverables. Choose the correct date and, if needed, add a time as well. Once the due date is saved, it will appear directly on the card, making urgent tasks easier to spot from the board view. Then click Labels to mark the task's priority. You can use labels in whatever way makes the most sense for your workflow, but a common setup is using different colors for high, medium, and low priority. You might also use labels for task type like admin, content, email, or scheduling. The goal is to make your board easier to scan so you know what matters most without opening every single card. Now the tasks are added and organized. Start moving them through your workflow. Drag cards from Inbox into Today when you're planning to work on them soon. If you begin actively working on something, drag it into In Progress. This gives you a live view of what's on your plate and what you're currently handling. If a task gets stuck because you're waiting for approval, missing information, or need a response before continuing, move it into Waiting. This is especially useful as a virtual assistant because many tasks depend on clients, managers, or external updates. Instead of forgetting about those tasks, you'll have a clear place to keep them until you can resume work. Once a task is finished, drag it into Completed. This gives you a visible record of your progress and helps you stay motivated. It also makes it easier to review what you've accomplished if someone asks for updates, or if you want to track your productivity over time. The final part of this system is consistency. Review your Today list every day and update your tasks as things change. Move new requests into Inbox, shift priorities when needed, and keep cards flowing across the board. That daily check-in is what turns Trello from a simple board into a reliable task management system. At this point, you've built a clean Trello setup, added tasks, organized details, assigned responsibility, set deadlines, labeled priorities, and learned how to move tasks from start to finish. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's it. You now have a simple and effective Trello workflow for managing tasks as a virtual assistant. Keep your board updated, review it daily, and you'll always have a clear picture of what's coming in, what needs attention now, what's on hold, and what's already done. Congratulations, and you're ready to start organizing your work with confidence.